In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to MetaMask. We're going to walk through the process clearly and carefully so you can move your funds the right way and avoid common mistakes. This is a simple transfer, but it's important to pay close attention, especially when choosing the wallet address and network, because crypto transactions usually can't be reversed once they're sent. To begin, open MetaMask on your device. Once you're inside the wallet, look at the top area and tap on your current network. This is where you can confirm which blockchain network your wallet is set to use. For example, you might be using BNB Smart Chain. After confirming the correct network, copy your public wallet address. This is the address where your USDT will be sent. Make sure you are copying the public wallet address only and that it matches the network you plan to use on Binance. Next, open the Binance app and go to your wallet. From there, enter your spot wallet, then tap withdraw and choose USDT as the asset you want to send. This takes you to the withdrawal screen where you'll set up the transfer. Now choose the option to send via crypto network. When prompted, paste in the public wallet address you copied from MetaMask. After that, select the network. This part is extremely important. The network you choose on Binance must match the network you selected in MetaMask. If your MetaMask wallet is set to BNB Smart Chain, then the withdrawal network on Binance should match that same network. A mismatch here can cause your funds to be delayed or even lost. So take a moment to double check before moving forward. Once the address and network are confirmed, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Before continuing, review everything on the screen carefully, including the destination address, the network, and the amount. It's also a good idea to notice any withdrawal fee or the final amount that will arrive in your wallet. When everything looks correct, tap withdrawal, then confirm to complete the transaction. Binance may ask you to complete a verification step such as a code or security confirmation before the transfer is submitted. After that, all you need to do is wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Depending on the network, this may take a few minutes. Once confirmed, your USDT should appear in MetaMask on the selected network.